The use and demand of personal computing devices has grown exponentially over the years, and the two type of major operating systems used on a global market scale are Mac and Windows. In this episode, we will try to figure it out that which operating system performs better than the other in terms of market share, and what's more important here is which one suits you the best if you had to buy one of those. So without any further ado, let's jump in. Now first there is one thing to keep in mind is that among all the operating systems available we have Windows, Mac and Linux. So now if we have to talk in terms of market share, of course the leading one is Windows with a total market share of 87% as of 2019 and Mac 12% while others are with 2%. While there are most Windows laptops in the market, most of them are evidently working on an older version of operating system, that is Windows 7 and other variants of the same type, while there are a fewer number of PCs running on Windows 8 and Windows 10. But still the previous data shown makes it quite clear for Windows operating laptop is popular among the users. Well, there are a number of reasons to it, but here we will be coming up with three most important reasons. Number one, most Windows PCs are quite affordable and buying one won't necessarily put a dent in your pocket. Most popular Windows PCs have a starting price tag of $600. For Microsoft Surface Book and another popular Windows laptop, Dell XPS may cost you around $700 to $800. And also considering the most popular choices among many are custom PCs of Windows that might cost you something from $500 to $5,000. While on the other hand, an entry-level base model of a MacBook, that is MacBook Air, will cost you $999, while as you move up the scale, a MacBook Pro will cost you $1,300, an iMac 27 inches $1,600, and an iMac Pro up to $5,000. So it seems clear to most buyers out there that a Windows PC has much more to offer at lower price tag when compared to almost all of the macOS operated machines. Reason number two. Windows operating PCs also provide a wider range of applications for its users. The typical Windows Store operated by Microsoft offers a larger number of applications when compared to the App Store used in Mac machines. Most users find it a huge advantage of a Windows PC over a Mac machine, not knowing that it makes them more vulnerable to malwares and cyber threats, to which the Microsoft provides no protection, and hence installing an antivirus security becomes very much essential. And also downloading a few uncertified applications can cause your PC to slow down exponentially. And the third reason is simply because most people love using Windows over Mac OS and they feel quite comfortable with it. Well, it's actually very simple to think about that most people who happen to use a particular operating system for over years find themselves quite comfortable with it and are most reluctant to switch over with something they have barely used. Now moving up to the next big question, that is which operating system is the ideal for you. Now broadening the uses of a computer can be done into following categories. Number 1, coding, number 2, video editing, and number 3, gaming. Now, if you are a college student, there is one thing for sure is that you must need a laptop that's portable, easy to carry it around, and has a better battery life. If this is your priority, then you must go for a MacBook Air because the MacBook typically lasts longer for the entire day. Now talking about the categories, if you need a laptop just for coding purposes, you can probably get any laptop that just happens to start from $450, is of 4 GB RAM because coding doesn't require anything typical more than this. Now second category is for video editing. Now here we would recommend you to have a laptop that uses dedicated graphic cards has a better screen resolution and brighter angles with more typical color contrasting abilities. When you have to consider such a requirement, having a MacBook Pro seems much better than most of the Windows PCs for the same value, as it offers the best for all the requirements and with better processors and a hand-in-hand approach of hardware and software makes MacBook a better option. And now for the third category, that is gaming. A well-built custom PC is the best buy when compared to any built Windows PC or Mac machine. A custom PC will help the buyer to use the suitable kind of hardware and graphic cards needed for the best gaming experience. Well, that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more coming up videos.